Na 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 na.
You've made the life-changing decision to make Hajj, and now you're on your way to Miqat. But where and when do you exactly enter the state of Ihram? You can arrive in Mecca for Hajj up to 2 months before official rites begin. You must be in the state of Ihram before entering Mecca. You will put on your Ihram garments at one of 5 places designated by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These are known as the Miqat. The one you stop at depends on what direction you come from on your way to Mecca. These Miqat form an imaginary boundary around Mecca. If you're traveling by air, you will not physically stop at a Miqat. Rather, you'll fly over the Miqat boundary. So make sure you wear your Ihram before your flight. If you're traveling by air, don't wait until the last minute to put on your Ihram garments. It's more comfortable to enter Ihram at your last point of departure rather than to change into Ihram in the airplane bathroom.